Hi YouTube, we're going to do Backseat Lovers, heavy, the guitar solo at the end. It's about 3-minute mark. But let's just review. The song is it's, D and B minor, and then also A and G. So that means the song is in the key of D. Okay, and we're gonna play here. I'm gonna show a shape on the screen, and that is a pentatonic shape. And we're gonna play it at the 7th fret mostly. But in order to play a guitar solo, you have to know what chords you're playing over. That's the first riff. And it just repeats 4 times. So we can take the the G string at the 9th fret, slide it to the 11th, give it some vibrato. So then we go back to the 9, and then we go back to the 11, and then on the G string we hit the 7 to end it. That's how it ends. So we do that slide up to the 11, come back to the 7, and then we hit the D string on the 9, and that ends it. Right, and then there's the next riff, riff 2, is like some kind of pentatonic. He's just doing some kind of he's ascending and descending a pentatonic scale. You could also play that up here on this extension shape here. So we got 11 on the G. It's probably easier to play it up here. See, these 2 strings on this extension shape are just like these strings, except they're 1 octave up. So that's riff 2. And then riff 3 is like what we call double stops. So that just means you're playing 2 strings at once. So in this case, I'm sliding into the G and the B string from the 5 to the 7. And then I'm playing the D in the G strings at the 9th fret. And then you can also play the D and the G strings at the 7. You can also play them in this little extension box. This is real common to slide into this. That's just like what you can do it. So that's basically it. That's you can also bend into that. There, I'm just sliding into it from the B string on the 6th and sliding into the 7th. I don't think it was like a written solo. I'm sure it was just something he played off the top of his head. Thanks for watching. Bye.